Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Launchpad by clicking its dock icon or pinching 4 fingers on the trackpad. Give the screen a moment until app icons finish animating. Make sure the app you want to remove is visible on the current page and not inside a folder. If the app is hidden in a folder, open that folder now. Prepare to use the delete action, which appears only for App Store apps while icons wobble. Click and hold an app icon until all icons begin to wobble and show available actions. For apps installed from the App Store, click the small X that appears at the icon's upper left corner. Mac OS will prompt with a confirmation dialog asking if you want to delete the app. Click Delete to remove the app and its user data stored in standard library locations. If no X appears, use Finder to remove the app instead. Open Finder and choose Applications from the sidebar to locate non-App Store apps. Drag the unwanted app to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash from the contextual menu. Some apps will ask for an admin password. Enter it when prompted to authorize removal. After moving apps to the trash, choose Finder and select Empty Trash to permanently delete the app and free disk space. Restart Mac OS if you...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.